What's going on, everyone, and welcome to Doctors Gan and Mo. With the new year fast approaching, and I think we can all agree that we're all ready for 2020 to come to an end, many young healthcare students find themselves either in the process of graduate school admission or have already decided where they're going.
Regardless of the stage of life you're currently in, it's never too early to get ahead of the curve financially and to make some very important decisions that will put you on the correct path of finance. And that could start with the choice of credit card. Today we're going to be sharing with you our 3 favorite credit cards for the medical student. And number 3 on that list is the Discover Chrome credit card for students.
So why did this card land the number 3 spot on our list? Well, because it provides good grade rewards, which is available for new card members that apply while in college. This offer provides a nice $20 statement credit rewards for those college students that maintain a 3.0 or higher GPA for up to 5 years. And that can carry you from undergraduate to graduate school.
And with zero annual fees, that is an amazing credit card for the young medical students. Now each quarter, you will earn automatically 2% cash back on your first $1,000 worth of purchases at restaurants and gas stations. Now any additional purchases beyond that, you will automatically receive 1% cash back on all those purchases.
Which is much different than those other credit cards that you must be enrolled in on a monthly basis.
Currently, they're offering an introductory 0% APR on all your purchases and balance transfers for the first 6 months. But on balance transfers up until February of 2021, they are going to be charging you a 3% transfer fee. But anytime after February of 2021, they are going to be charging you a 5% transfer fee.
Now, yes, we did read through the fine print, which was very tedious on our eyes, since the font was very small, not really spaced out all that well, and just overall difficult to read. And all we ask for in return, all we ask for is a gingerly tap of that like button. It's really just a nice gesture altogether. The Discover credit card offers cash advance as well, which is nice just in case, well, you need some extra cash. But it does come with some fees.
Either $10 or 5% of the amount of the cash advance, whichever is greater. And Discover, as of September of 2020, will match all cashback rewards that you have earned on your credit card from the day that the account was approved, through the first 12 consecutive billing periods.
Oh, and if you have one of those crazy college nights and lose your credit card in the library, well, have no fear. Discover makes it easy to cancel that credit card right on their app, and they'll ship you a new credit card overnight. No ifs, ands, or buts. They make it pain-free, and most importantly, headache-free. You don't need any more headaches, especially during school. Number 2 on our list, the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. And I have to say, I love this credit card. Maybe I'm a little biased, and that's because I own this credit card and I have for nearly 7 years. And I absolutely love it.
Within the first 3 months of opening your account, you are guaranteed a $200 sign-on bonus once you spend $500 on purchases. You will also receive a 5% cash back for your grocery store purchases up to $12,000 during that first year. However, Walmart and Target are not included. Also, Chase offers a 0% APR for the first 15 months, but beyond that, it will change to a variable APR.
You earn 5% back on travel purchases through Chase's rewards program, which in our opinion is one of the best reward programs out there. That way, you earn and save money during the holidays when your family begs you to come see them because you've been buried in the books the rest of the year. 3% at drugstores. That way you earn and save money every time your highlighter runs out of ink, and 3% on dining, including takeout, because we all know we just don't have time to cook.
And 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. And Chase, as of now, is offering a 5% cash back on your Lyft purchases until March of 2022. And we all know how imperative that is, especially on the weekends. And all of that with no annual fees.
Chase Freedom Unlimited offers numerous perks and abundance of partnership programs. That way, you get the most money back on your credit card usage along the way.
And no, we're not affiliated with Chase and we're not getting paid to promote them, even though we tried. However, we're just too small in their eyes. But the take-home message of this, for every $1,300 that you spend on a monthly basis, you're typically looking for about $400 in annual rewards. But the one negative that Chase Card has in relation to the Discover Chrome credit card is that it does not offer an introductory 0% APR on balance transfers when you do open up the account. And the number one best credit card for healthcare students is Discover its Student Cashback credit card, which was actually voted 2020 Best Credit Card of the Year by US News. And there are definitely reasons to support that card.
With no annual fees and the same $20 statement reward that's provided for you for every year that your GPA is a 3.0 or higher for up to 5 years undergraduate or graduate school, it shares a lot of the same perks as the Discover Chrome credit card. For students, from APR to minimum credit required to actually get the credit card itself, which is like fair to limited.
So what makes this credit card come in first place in the ranking of Doctors Gain and Mo?
Well, you earn 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, ranging from grocery stores to gas stations, even ride shares.
Plus, you will automatically be enrolled to receive an unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases, which will slightly make it better than the Discover Chrome credit card.
Overall, Discover offers a lot of great perks and comparable perks as their Discover card. But the main reason that this credit card makes it number one on our list is because of that 5% cash back at different places on everyday purchases. That's why this credit card is number one, the number one credit card to get for the graduate healthcare student as 2021 rolls in.
Choosing your next credit card is exciting, and learning all the ins and outs of your next credit card along with the rewards so you can game the system and earn some cash back is sure exhilarating. However, don't sign up for random credit cards just so you can earn those points, because no amount of points or rewards will make up for unnecessary spending. So share with us, let us know what credit card you're going to be signing up for or what credit cards you guys prefer. And don't forget to please gingerly tap that like button, and we'll see you next time.